Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Vinyl TV. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I want to show you what we got here. We got this gear. This is Canon I-SENSYS MF3010. This is multi-functional laser all-in-one printer. We're going to unbox this stuff, check it out, see what is inside. You can print, scan and copy easily from your desktop, and it's using ink cartridges 725. In terms of the printing speed, 18 prints per minute for black, and it's using 2.0 high-speed USB cable. Basically you can copy, scan from this gear. What we're going to do is open it up, okay, and check what is inside. Check my videos how we install the ink toner and also how we connect this to USB cable. And from the packaging, this is the power cable, 2-pin power cable, and this is the information pack in various languages, information pack, and this is the disk CD-ROM that contains the software. What you need to do with this software, you need to stick it to your PC and download the driver and the software for you to be able to use this printer. Nice packaging. So what we're going to do, just open it. Here we go. Look at that. And this is another power cable. This one is 3-pin power cable. Okay. Now, just open it up. Look at that baby right here. Beautiful. This is Canon I-SENSYS MF3010. Now with this printer, you need USB cable, but unfortunately I can't see any USB cable here. So I'm going to remove the packaging, then we'll go from there. Okay, so from the back, I'm going to turn this around. On the back, this is the power cable. It goes in here, and the USB cable goes right here. Unfortunately, I cannot see USB cable from the packaging. This is the USB cable, what it looks like. So you need the cable, but from what I'm seeing here, I can't see it from the packaging. So I'm just gonna move this away and check if the cable is inside. Now open this up. So this is 3-pin power cable. Okay, and it goes in here. Push it inside. Okay. Just need to remove the packaging first and see if there's any USB cable. Is what you are looking for. Here we go. So this is the paper tray. So you load various sizes of paper right here. Okay. and the toner is inside. Okay, so what we need to do is open it up. Remove the packaging and lift up. Okay, so this, just remove the packaging. Okay, so this is the toner. I'm going to show you what you need to remove to install the toner. Okay, so I'm going to put this back first. It's in. So this is the overview of this printer. Now to close this down, you need to make sure you close it. So to close it down, you need to gently close it. And here is the scanner. You can see what the scanner looks like. Now to plug this printer on, you need to plug it to the socket. Okay, so right now it's plugged into the socket, and this is the on and off. So the paper will land here. Okay, so this is where the paper goes. Just want to bring it out, okay, and allow the paper to rest. Thank you.